Job of the day. I got called out this morning and she had a broken leaf spring. They're a traveling band. So, let's get them all taken care of and get them to their venue. Tire coming off. And there she is. Ooh, shackle links are broken too. Oh, took the dust cap off, so they get a new dust cap. New dust cap on. Alright. Rust wanted to stop it, so it's coming off. Bolt off. Hammer punch. Oh, Rust, why you like this? Holy moly. Gotcha. I think the brake is disconnected. No. Nope, it's not. Wire's up there. Okay, cool. See if I can get this axle up. Gotta get you up in the, maybe a big pry bar. U-bolt's coming off. Oh, those are 13/16.
Thank you.
Oh, no problem at all. There we go. Yeah, let's get new parts in. Old spring is out. This rocker needs a new bushing. It's a new bushing. We'll go in. There we got new. Let me make sure these are the right ones. They are. Good. 2 new shackle links. This is what their shackle links look like. So, blown out. Where's the other one? There it is. And blown out. One side of the spring is on. 2 new shackle links. 7/8 on the back. Good, on and installed. Shackles and bolts going on. Of course, you go the back way. Maybe it'd help if I put it on tight the correct way. Good. Next one. Come on, baby. Stay with me. Come on. Stay on the fucking thing. Oh my gosh. Working in confined spaces makes me want to lose my shit. Cool. On and good. On and good. U-bolt's going on. I gotta lift the axle up and then tighten these down. Make sure it's on the spring pad. It's hanging on by a thread right now. Come on. Tighten the U-bolts just a little bit. And then I raise the axle up. Then I can hit it with my impact. Make sure it sits on that axle saddle. Cut the bottom of these off because they're pretty long. My hammer go, there it is. Lift this up, make sure it goes square on there. And then hit those U-bolts, tighten them down. Let's tighten it down, see if it sits on the saddle. Hit it with a hammer if it doesn't. Oh, yes, got it. What size is this? Oh, no wonder it's not going on. Okay, now I got the correct size for the U-bolt nuts. Tight, 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 and lastly, cool. Let's cut off the bottom of those U-bolts because they will hit the ground when they're driving. Oh. Good, good. They've got ground clearance from the U-bolts now. Let's see if I can. Is this loose? Yes, it is. I got tire and wheel on. New spring, new U-bolt kit. I cut the bottom of the U-bolts. 2 new shackle links, two new bolts and nuts on this side, and 1 new bolt on the rear. So let's get this back on the ground and then torque lug nuts. And drop her down. Perfect. Good. Let's torque these lug nuts. I'll do their whole trailer just in case. All right, we're on the ground. Torquing lug nuts. Driver's side rear first. Oh. Driver's side rear done. Driver's side front done. Passenger side rear. Passenger side rear done. Passenger side front. Passenger side front done. All right, new spring on the driver's side rear. New spring, half a U-bolt kit. 2 new shackle links, 3 new bolts and nuts. That's good. I put new lug nuts as well because they were a little rusty. I put a new dust cap because I knocked that off, so they got a dust cap. I torqued all lug nuts, driver's side, passenger side. She requested for me to put some grease on the ball, but I need the key. Put some grease on the ball here, spread it around, grab a rag and spread it all over the top of that. Nice and spread out over the ball. No more squeaking. Locked in. Ball is greased. Everything's locked in. This trailer's done and I'm on to the next.